Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you happen to be new, and I am going to be testing out the Liene New Enhanced Sticker Paper. So there's been a little bit of controversy in the comments about the quality of the original sticker paper when they first released the Pixcut S1 sticker printer. And so I reached out to Liene and said, hey, would you want to send me some of the enhanced sticker paper and I can do a comparison? Yeah, a lot of people were complaining that the stickers were not adhering to paper very well, and you also can adhere them to glass and wood and other surfaces like that. So I thought we would test it out and see what my results are and see if I think the enhanced sticker paper is any better. This video isn't sponsored at all, so I'm giving you my true, honest, real results. Let me know if you have a Liene Pixcut S1 and have you had any issues with their sticker paper. I'd love to know in the comments down below. And also, have you thought about buying one but you haven't bought one yet? I know I did a video on the M110 printer of theirs, photo printer, and you all really love that video. So yeah, let's dive in. I still have some of my original sticker paper that I got with this S1 Pixcut S1 printer. I got this for Christmas. I did an unboxing, so if you want to see an unboxing, I will link that down below. But for now, we're going to test out the new and compare it to the old original sticker paper. So this is a refill kit that you can get. It comes with 72 sheets, and it was, I think, around $43 to $45. I did reach out to them, and they did send me this to try out. I also have their just plain photo printer, the M110, and I've done a video on that as well. This comes with 2 of these cartridges, and then, like I said, 17 of these sticker sheets. Yep, and these are all the sticker sheets. Okay, perfect. And at first I'm going to load in one of my original. I'll load in a couple of the original. They look very similar. They're obviously the same size. The original, I feel, is a little more shinier type of finish. So we'll put a couple sheets of the original in here. And you have to remember when you're doing the 4x7 paper to flip that little lever down, because that is for the 4x6 paper. And you want to put it blank side up. It has the writing on the back, so you put that down. And then it just slides in to the cartridge location right here. And once it clicks, you know it's in. All right, it is getting ready to print. And you can see it come out, and it will come out in 3 different layers and then cut. And I will speed this up for you. So the enhanced sticker paper is supposed to address the stickability or the adhesion issues with the original sticker paper. So once we print these out, then we will give them a test. So I will print the same images onto the new sticker paper so we can do a side-by-side comparison. The colors on the sticker paper are amazing. I have a selfie small printer, and the colors are pretty good on that, but the colors are way better on this, as well as the M110. So if you're looking for just a printer, the M110 Liene is definitely a good option. But this S2 is, or S1, sorry, Pixcut S1 is definitely a great option. Now it's getting ready to cut. The roses and the butterflies and the castle are from the library that's on the software. And then the princess, I actually used AI in the app to generate that sticker. And it cuts them that quick. And you can see the cut lines right there. They're pretty good. And you can adjust the border size on these stickers as well in the app. All right, let me print it out on the newer paper and then we'll test it out. I printed out the same images on the newer sheet so we can do a side-by-side comparison. And I'm going to write new on here so I can keep track of them. One thing I do want to point out, the thing to look for on the packaging is right here. So the publication date is 1/2026. So anything after, I would say, November or December of 2025, it will be the enhanced sticker paper. They do not put enhanced anywhere on the packaging. The packaging looks identical. So that would be the thing to look for, is to make sure you get a more recent production date packaging to make sure you're getting the enhanced sticker paper. So let's get to the test. I'm going to test it on some paper and then I'm going to test it on some glass. And I wrote new on the sticker sheet so I can keep track of the new from the old. And I am going to do a butterfly. And things I love about this is there's no calibration needed for cutting out your stickers. And like the cricket you have to do a calibration. So I am just going to rub these on. I'm going to leave them on for about I don't know, 10 minutes or so. See, this one already peeled up a little. And then we'll test those out. And then on the glass, I think it's important to clean the glass first to make sure you have good adhesion. Some other good tips are to try not to get your oils and fingers all over the sticker sheet. So handle the sticker sheet as little as possible, because the oils on our fingers definitely play into, and I'm just using, play into the stickiness. And I am just using some rubbing alcohol to clean these up. All right, we've cleaned off a good spot, and I'm going to try flowers on here. I am going to do this pink rose on here. So like I said, I'm really trying not to touch the back of the sticker. And we'll put that down. And then we'll try this one here. They peel off really well. The next thing I'll try is their waterproof and their scratch durability. But I'm going to let these set for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and take a look at them. It has been about 10 to 12 minutes since I put these stickers down, and immediately when I put these first two, so these are the new stickers, I went back and added 2 more because I wanted to compare the skinnier edge of this sticker with the new and the old. So I added those. But you can see these are the new ones. This is the original. And look, the original, it's already peeling up on the edges. I haven't touched them. I didn't keep pushing them back down. Same with this one. So these are the newer ones. Nothing is coming up on these. You can see they're firmly still on the paper. And on here, I don't know if you can see that it's coming up right here. It's coming up right here. And then these little antennae are already coming up. So in my mind, the new enhanced sticker paper is already working better on paper. Now I could go and push these back down, but that kind of defeats the purpose of sticker paper. They do advertise that this sticker paper is repositionable. So there's that debate kind of in the community is, well, if we really want it to be a forever sticker, should they just change the adhesion to where it's not repositionable? So that's kind of an ongoing debate. But for now, I think that this is working really well. Let's take a look at the glass. Now the glass, so the bright pink, this one is the newer enhanced paper, and then this is the original sticker paper. And both of these have adhered down. They have not tried to peel up in any way that I can see anywhere on here. I think they both are staying on very well. The other thing I did off camera is I thought I would try wood, because sometimes we like to put stickers on wood. And again, I cleaned it with the rubbing alcohol, let it dry, and this is the original sticker. And look at it. As soon as I put it down, it immediately curled back up. But this is the new one. Nothing. No budge. It's still sticking down. And this is a smooth. It's not ridged or anything like that. So it is a smooth surface. But that is crazy. And I haven't touched them. You know, I could push them back down, but I kind of wanted to show you what happened in that 12-minute time period. That is crazy. So I do want to try, see if I can pull this one up and see if it is repositionable. I mean, it's down really good. I am really pleased with that. And I did get my oils on my fingers when I pulled it up. So it looks like you can peel them back up if you want to. Your paper might tear because I feel like the adhesion is a little bit stronger. Well, no, okay. No, I think it would come up without tearing. So I think that is good. I wanted to try like a little scratch test on here. I'm just going to use my fingernail and see if these scratch at all. I don't see any scratch marks. Oh, I do see a little bit of a scratch mark there when I hold it up to the light. But it doesn't impact the color. Like the ink isn't coming off. It's just you're seeing some scratch marks there. And same on the original. So you see the scratch marks, but the ink doesn't scrape up. And let's try a little bit of water and see if they're waterproof. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water on this paper towel and just kind of dab it and see if the ink comes up at all. Let it sit, let the water sit on top of the sticker. And I'm going to spray a little bit of water on these. And so I've sprayed some water in there and let those sit for a minute. And then we'll wipe them and see if the ink comes off. Oh, well shoot, I don't know which one that was. I'll have to try that again. Or maybe this was residual ink on here. Let's try this guy. So there's I don't see any ink showing up on the napkin. And this is the newer one. And then let's try this one. And I don't see any ink coming off of that one either. I do want to spray these again though. I just don't want to get a bunch of water in my notebook. That's why I'm dabbing it on. And then let's do a little wipe. Let's see if anything comes up. Okay, nothing there. Okay, that must have been just some residual on my napkin. Okay, so the water test seems to be pretty good. And the scratch marks, I mean, you do see some scratch marks on there, but it's not taking the color off. So that's just something to keep in mind. I'm not too worried about scratch marks, honestly. But look, this sticker is already coming up again, and this one's coming up. All right, well, let's summarize and see what the final verdict is. So my final verdict is I believe the enhanced sticker paper is better. The sticker paper is definitely sticking to wood better. This is the original and it's continuing to come up. The paper on paper, it is still down for the new, but on the original, it's already coming up again. Now the glass, if you're primarily working with glass, the new and the enhanced seem to, or the original and the enhanced seem to work the same. So I think it's a good idea if you haven't purchased the Pixcut S1, that it's a good investment, especially if you're trying to decide between a Cricut and the Pixcut. The Pixcut, the Liene, is so much easier to use than a Cricut. It's a smaller footprint. The price of those 72 photos and the ink cartridges are about $45. So you have to take that into account. But you can get multiple stickers printed on a single sheet. With the Cricut, you also have to have a printer, and you have to print on the printer, and then there's calibration involved. So if you're wanting to just do stickers, this Liene Pixcut S1 might be the way to go. But if you're wanting to do other projects like paper cutting or fabric, things like that, then you might want to use the Cricut. But definitely, I'm very pleased with the results of this sticker paper. It is definitely improved, the enhanced sticker paper. I think some of the key takeaways are to remember when you're working on hard surfaces like glass or wood, that you want to make sure you clean the surfaces, remove any dust, because that will prevent the sticker from adhering very well. And also try not to get your fingers all over the paper before you even print. And then when you take the stickers off the paper, you can even use tweezers if you want to, but try to minimally touch the back of the sticker. I hope you all found this video helpful. I want to thank Liene for sending me the new enhanced sticker paper. And it's not sponsored by them. These are my true actual results and feelings on this. And I think they've definitely made some improvements, but we also have to be aware of how we're handling and using the sticker paper as well. And that's the same as if you're using the Cricut. The Cricut, you need to clean your surfaces with alcohol as well, and you need to not get your oily fingers all over the sticker paper. So I hope you all enjoyed, and come back and join me for other fun projects. I'm going to be making some labels with my Liene for some of my organization videos that I have coming up. So if you want to check those out, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Do you have one of these printers? And do you like it? And what do you think of the enhanced sticker paper? I'd love to know. All right, bye everybody.